Look at these tall sugarcane plants. Farmers are harvesting fresh sugarcane from the fields. The fresh stalks are loaded onto the truck for transport. Hard work under the sun.
The sugarcane is loaded into trucks and taken to the sugar mill quickly to keep it fresh.
Now the sugarcane is crushed in big machines, and sweet juice comes out.
The juice is collected, and the leftover fiber is separated.
The juice is heated and cleaned to remove impurities. First, the juice is heated to activate the cleaning process. Then, the liquid is filtered to remove impurities. The juice is heated and cleaned to remove impurities. During boiling, steam carries impurities away. This creates a pure, concentrated juice. The juice becomes thick like syrup after boiling. When cooled, sugar crystals start to form from the syrup. This process, called crystallization, creates the granulated sugar we use. The crystals grow as the mixture cools and solidifies.
The sugar is dried to make it clean and ready to use.
Finally, the sugar is packed into bags and sent to shops. And that's how sugar is made from sugarcane, sweet and amazing.